Can you open some more? And take the paper off.
Paper off.
Yeah, can you take the paper off?
Mommy!
You need help? Here. And pull it off. What is it, Miss Hannah?
Is it a puzzle? What is it?
What is it? What is it? What do you see?
Open.
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 We open
I don't
it?
know what it is, but I want it open
We
now.
open it? Do we open it?
Open. Is it taped? Open. And Mom's struggling to open it yet.
What animals do you see? What is it?
Oh.
No, there's better on it. What animals are on here, Miss Hannah? Oh my, there we go. What's the animals? What's that?
Oh. Whoa.
What's that? Is it a tiger?
Okay.
What's that?
Yeah.
Giraffe. Good job. Bunny. Monkey.
You got one more.
2. What's that?
Oh.
Bird.
One more.
Snake. Can you put him back? Can you put him back? You need help? Giraffe. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you.
You say I love you.
I love you, Grandma.
You say Grandma,
Grandma.
I love you. You did it. You did it. Try again.
Lucky.
Monkey. Good job.
Up.
Right there. Good job.